everyone, today I would like to introduce a 3 million high-definition outdoor waterproof bore machine. The model is SH039B. Added a new sound and light alarm function. When it detects that the screen is moving or someone enters, the camera will actively send out red and blue strong light alerts and sound alarms to ensure the safety of you and your family to the greatest extent. There is a SH039B, a power adapter, a letterwork cable, 2 packs of screws, a base, a manual, a set of waterproof rubber plugs, and a spun gasket. Install the base on the wall. You can judge whether it's level by the spirit level in the base. And then fix it with through screws. Then put SH039B on it. Finally, fix the camera to the base with the screws. When the SH039B is close to the router, it can be connected by Wi-Fi. First, connect the phone to Wi-Fi. Open the Srihome app, enter the camera ID, or scan the code to add the camera. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click Next. Use the camera lens to face the QR code of the mobile phone and keep a distance of 10 to 30 cm. When you hear the sound of beep, click Next. After waiting for about 10 to 15 seconds, the camera will send out a sound indicating that the connection is successful. Then the name of device and enter the default password 888. Click Next to connect successfully. If it's not convenient to use Wi-Fi connection, SH039B can also use network cable to connect. And click Next step to connect successfully. Firstly, we can control the PTZ through the console, left and right, up and down. This is microphone. A long press can allow the person to hear you.
Hello, 你好.
To zoom in on the screen, we can slide the screen to control the gimbal. Screen flip. Resolution switching. Video recording function. After clicking, there will be a prompt in the upper left corner. Take a screenshot. Monitor switch.